Hi people, welcome back to Click. In this video, we are going to talk about Human Resource Development or HRD. It plays a crucial role in helping both employees and organizations grow by focusing on enhancing skills, improving performance, and fostering career progression. We will cover the role and objectives of HRD, qualities of effective HRD, and the HRD process. Let's get started. First, let's explore the role of HRD. Skill enhancement. HRD aims to improve employee skills and capabilities, ensuring they are equipped to meet both current and future demands. Organizational growth. Through employee development, HRD supports organizational growth, ensuring the company has the talent needed to thrive. Career planning. HRD assists employees in career planning and progression, helping them map out and achieve their professional goals. Next, let's talk about the objectives of HRD. Employee growth. One of the key objectives of HRD is to facilitate both personal and professional growth for employees, helping them advance in their careers. Then organizational effectiveness. HRD enhances overall organizational effectiveness by improving the performance and skills of the workforce. Talent management. HRD focuses on developing and retaining top talent within the organization, ensuring that key positions are filled with capable individuals. Now, let's look at the qualities of effective HRD. Visionary. Effective HRD professionals are visionary, anticipating future HR needs and trends to keep the organization competitive. Empathetic. Understanding employee needs and providing support is crucial for fostering a positive work environment and helping employees grow. Strategic. HRD initiatives should align with organizational goals, ensuring that development efforts contribute to the company's overall success. Innovative. Introducing new and effective development practices keeps the organization at the forefront of industry trends and enhances employee engagement. Next, let's walk through the HRD process, which involves 4 key stages. Needs assessment. This step involves identifying training and development needs through performance reviews and feedback from managers. Once the needs are identified, clear objectives for HRD programs are set to guide the process. Then, program design. In this stage, relevant and engaging training content is developed. The next step is to choose the appropriate training methods such as workshops, e-learning, or hands-on activities depending on the needs of the organization. Then, implementation. Once the program is designed, it's time to deliver the training. This step also includes monitoring progress to ensure the training is effective and employees are benefiting from the development efforts. Then, evaluation. Finally, the impact of the HRD programs is assessed by evaluating employee performance and organizational outcomes. Feedback is collected and improvements are made to future HRD initiatives based on the results. In summary, HRD plays a key role in building a skilled, engaged, and high-performing workforce. By focusing on employee growth, aligning with organizational goals, and fostering innovation, HRD ensures both individual and organizational success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.